this is the 5th Hard Rock Cafe that I'm visiting.
Oh, really?
And as a music lover, I think this is a dream come true to be sitting in my own hometown and to finally see Hard Rock Cafe opening here for all the music lovers. The first question, of course, is what would be your plan for the Hard Rock expansion in the country and finally opening in the Northeast region, a music hub, rock and roll, very close to the heart in the entire region. So, what are your expectations?
Let me start by saying, we're very excited to finally open in the rock region of India, the Northeast, and it's a pleasure being here. And yes, we have a lot of expansion plans, some sites coming up. I think you'll get to know about them very, very soon.
Okay. So, and what kind of, as in the guest, what should they be expecting in this Hard Rock Cafe?
We should be expecting what they would get at any Hard Rock Cafe in the world. Lots of live music, lots of food-based LTOs, some great flavors which were not being seen here. That will be the whole thing about this.
Also, what is known for authentic experiences that rock.
Yes. So, talking about that, I think the burgers are like world famous of Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, would you like to talk something about the menu and the flavors?
Sure. So, being an all-American brand, it believes in larger portions for people to sit together, share, more socializing together, along with the music and the bands that play. The nachos are one of the best. We've been to a lot of places, myself, Kunal, and our colleague Mani, to a lot of restaurants. We have tried out stuff. We've tried out nachos. We have tried out combination platters. We've tried out burgers. But we still feel that the core of what Hard Rock is, the all-American thing, we didn't find anywhere. So yes, the jumbo combo, the flavors which are so American, it has its barbecue sauce which goes with its onion rings. It has blue cheese dip which goes with his spicy wings. It's got potato skins with cheese. It's got southern spiced spring rolls. So there is various combinations. And now we've also introduced smaller portions from the local menu so that people can share it on the same table. As the jumbo combo is to the whole world an American thing, anywhere we go, we introduce the local flavors. And those tapas are local flavors for this space. Coming to burgers, it's somewhere in the range of 4 to 5 inches in height. And we try to manage it as juicy as possible. So the ratio and all is taken care and thought over very strategically. So it's easy to eat also, plus the eye appeal is good. And the crunchiness that comes through the things that we put there. So it's a combination of all. As a local burger, we've introduced the pork burger with bamboo shoots and ginger and a lot of robust spices. So yeah, let's.
The regional flavors are more to do with incorporation of this bamboo or any other?
Nah, so it has 50% is core Assamese flavor and 50% are flavors which are not the core menu of Hard Rock. Yeah, so like they are Tex-Mex, they are chimichurri, they are Jamaican, so a lot of influences from around.
Also about the key memorabilia at the outlet, so what should the patrons and the customers, the consumers should be looking forward to besides the music and the food?
So Hard Rock is all about memorabilia. I think people call it the Smithsonian of Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and we have a mix of contemporary and classic memorabilia. In contemporary, we have something like Beyonce and Taylor Swift, and in classic, we have Iron Maiden, Van Halen, something which has so anybody who's a music lover, they will find their choice of artists adorning the walls. So that's what it's all about.
So the brand stands for, it doesn't just stand for food, or it doesn't stand for just liquor. It's the complete experience that people come and have, right from they enter the door to the memorabilia that they see, to the stage, to the food that we serve, to the bar, to the flair, to the vibe. It just ties together.
Just one last question. Because we are having the ongoing pandemic there, are there any specific precautions that you're taking to
Yeah. So every morning before the people enter, the washing of hands is very strict. The covering of the face with mask is very strict. every 2 hours hand sanitizing, hand washing is extremely strict. All that is continuously followed.
We're also doing a 50% seating capacity. So we actually are not filling up the place up. Even though we can do 110 seats, we're just doing 60 seats just to make sure people are safe and sound. And we have a very strict policy about that. You can see sanitation points across the restaurant. So, and you're coming in, we tempt you, we make sure you sanitize your hands before you enter. So we're doing all the things which are required to ensure a safe and healthy environment for all the guests who dine with us.
Also, forgot to put forth one point. The barbecue flavors are extremely strong. It's Texas-driven barbecue, so the ribs, the pulled pork, the barbecued chicken, stuff like that is extremely flavorful and extremely unique to this space and rather wherever Hard Rock opens up. Also the desserts, very American. It's the cheesecake, the brownie, which is iconic, which comes in a big glass, and the apple cobbler. It's a must try.